means to say 30. Normally I don't like 30. 32 inches and above. It can go up to 4 feet and 4.5 feet per sliding door. Okay, it all depends on the mechanism. Okay, again, mechanism like this is actually branded one, is better lor. Cheaper one lor, China one, Taiwan one. So it's all different because different bearing bears different load. LOAD, different load. So that is where the integrity of the supplier who actually supply the thing is also important. Because if you keep on pushing their price down, they use cheaper material, that's the only thing. So for me, I always tell, if you want Adrian Wee, that is my price, because my price is my standard. So they say, why your price so expensive? Because Adrian Wee lah. Because I have to remain my own standard. The materials that I use is different. So that's where I counter back. Okay, understand? So that is the reason. It doesn't mean that because of me commanding a higher margin. It's not like that. You understand? So that is that. Wall unit, you will have 300, Nyato 300, local 180. All this, you will have a 40% margin. Okay, 40% margin. I tell you offhand now. If as a dealer, if you want to use this as a business, your margin is 50 to 55%. Because you are coming here, okay, they are actually what they need to draw for you. Depends on the complexity. Sometimes they give you 40, sometimes they give you 35. It depends. Okay, whether you want to margin. That is the thing. So if you are talking about a saving of 20%, that is a must. Okay, understand? So it all depends. Because there's human element inside. Okay, situation inside. Site situation inside. So it all depends. Understand, designers? So wall unit, if it's 180 divided by 40%, is around 108. Understand? So that is the range. Understand? So 168 times the per foot run. Understand? So you get a gauge.
This one is
Our price. No, this is customer price. Yeah.
What year was IDT member?
IDT member lah. This one is a customer. You can actually quote, and then this one you minus off. This another 40%. Understand? Yes. 40.
Just now you mentioned 50 to 55%.
That is being a dealer. Means to say you draw, you do everything. Come, you just ask them to order, and then they just go. So they don't do drawing, they don't do measurement, they don't do anything also. You just give them the spec, they just produce. Which is very unlikely you will do that.
Is it inclusive the installation?
Supply and install.
Supply.
Okay. So then you will have base unit, door unit, end panel. End panel is the per square feet. You know how to calculate. End panel is the side panel lah. Then the wall unit, color carcass. Okay, you see this? These are all color carcass. This is color carcass. Can you see? This color carcass. So exposed is color. Non-exposed is also color. If non-exposed is white, means to say it's white lah. But normally people, if you want a very good quality one, you use color lah, because white color will turn yellow. Yeah, that's like 10 years on down the road lah. Understand? So okay. So understood? So don't worry about this too much. This is a guide. Understand? So it's not the ultimate fixed one, because the thing is there are many variables. Okay, like site condition and things like that. So you have to talk to them. Understand? Now kitchen cabinet, the same thing. It evolves. Kitchen cabinet, or TV cabinet, or study cabinet, all that is cabinet. You understand? So it's almost the same. You calculate by per foot run as well. If you don't know, you use the kitchen cabinet, study cabinet, also it won't go wrong. Okay, so you can actually lesser it a little bit, then you can get the foot run. So it's always like roughly how much I can gauge already. You understand? So understand that? Okay, now we go into the wardrobe. Come.
Oh, bed.
Sit lah. Okay. So basically, IDK member is 4,008. The system alone is close to 2,000. It's 1,800 plus. The system alone. This is by Heffel. Okay, that is a solid quartz stone also. Yeah. So that is the thing, and it's 4,008. Okay. If you want, you talk to them. Okay. So anyway, then this is the normal wardrobe that you can actually use for your property investment. Okay, because our price is cheap. Okay. Nice. How much?
One times 0.
times 0.6.
0.6.
0.6. 300 and what? 320 only. So cheap. I forgotten, so I always think it's 380. Okay, I'm very long already not in the industry, so forgive me. So yeah, when I started it, the industry was 250 ringgit per furai. 250. Now it's around 320 lah. 312. Oh, very cheap lah. So for example, like this, right? This is 6 feet. Okay, so 6 feet, 6 times 3 is 1,008 lah. Okay, plus another this 2, 8 lah. 8 times 3 is 2,004 lah. You understand? 9 feet high, 9 feet high. Okay, so 9 feet high plus another one is probably 9.5 feet lah, around that. Yeah, so that is the price. So this one, carcass is what? Okay, oh, for your information, that day I've forgotten to mention, if you want to run an ABS aging for the carcass, you add another couple of 10 ringgit, 10 ringgit or 20 ringgit per foot, right? You have to look at it here. Okay, but that one I'll talk you in the bus. Okay. So basically, this wardrobe, if you're gonna open like that, you just add on the price of the hinge. Okay, the hinges.
Those
So
are
you can
accessory.
open 270.
Those
huh?
are accessory.
Yeah, the accessories, correct. Yeah, understand, designers? So basically, that's about it. This is actually a staircase. A lot of yeah. So that is actually a 9 feet where it's actually you can actually pull this. But this one is very heavy. The mechanism itself is a bomb. Okay, this is actually using chipboard to do, but they are using honeycomb. Have a look. Another 3 minutes or 4 minutes, then we go off. Okay, we go off.